Welcome to the brief overview of Magento 2 Social Meta Tags extension by Meetanshi. This extension allows inserting the Facebook Open Graph and Twitter cards to your Magento 2 store. Have you ever pasted a link into Facebook or Twitter and found that the associated image has nothing to do with the content of that page? Do you want to control the appearance of your brand store on social media? The perfect solution for you is Magento 2 Social Meta Tags by Meetanshi. That enables Open Graph tags and Twitter cards for product pages, category pages as well as CMS pages. The admin can have full control on the content, design, and images of product or page details, to be shared on social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc. Magento 2 Social Meta Tags extension, to influence the performance of your links on social media, and also draw more clicks and views. Thank you.